got about 2 minutes left. And this has turned out to be a good session for the bulls after a long time because they have lived to fight another day, as they say. From deep cuts of over 1.5% in the morning, the screen is now positive, a 40 points gain coming through. So what has worked on the Nifty? Let's talk about the big movers on the upside. Adani Enterprises, Bajaj Finserv, IndusInd Bank, Adani Ports. So you can see that it's not really sectoral in nature, just sort of a different clutch of stocks moving higher. Shriram Finance has had a good day, Ultratech Cement. And then there are some PSU names like Coal India and ONGC that have had a pretty decent session as well. HDFC Bank is the big bank stock that has been fighting on the upside because some of the others were not that constructive. In fact, ICICI Bank is ending about 0.6% lower. Actually, on the lower side, to talk about the losers, apart from ICICI Bank, some tech names. Tech was weak today. TCS Infosys down. And Mahindra has seen a lot of profit taking today, 3.5% lower on that stock itself. But Prashant, I guess not a bad close at all, specifically for the mid caps, which are actually outdoing the large caps now.
Yeah, absolutely. And all these smaller pharma names, right? Glaxo, Piramal, Aarti, Jubilant Pharma, that is, Camlin Fine, decent kind of activity today. And of course, the ones we discussed quite a bit, Godfrey, Manapuram, Ashok Leyland, CG Power did not go back to the lows of close to 500. But did crack in the recent fall, but it's back just about 25 rupees away from the 600 rupee levels. Castrol is another one. Kirloskar Brothers is another one. So enough and more action in terms of what was up. But lots of accidents as well. Rate gain is Sudeep was talking about. Zentech is another one. Senco, K Fintech, MTAR Tech, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. So enough and more. But yeah, I mean, today, after a really long time, the weight of sort of gains, volume-led gains was, of course, it was advantage bulls or some recoveries across the board. So it was good to see that. I think what we're going to do is we'll just wrap up things here, but we'll come back and Sudeep, of course, is with us. We'll come back with markets forward. Surbi and I'll take you through that in just a bit from now.